Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your accounts. Sign into Outlook on the web and open calendar settings, locate the sharing or publish option, and copy the ICS or share link. Once done, decide which path to take: a quick read-only embed using that ICS link, or a more robust sync using an automation tool like Zapier, or Make That will push events into Notion. Make sure you have a Notion workspace with edit rights, and if using automation, your Notion integration token ready. Now continue by choosing execution. If you embed, open your Notion page, add an embed block, paste the ICS or public calendar URL, and resize the block. This gives a read-only calendar preview. If you automate, create a Zap or scenario, authenticate Outlook and Notion, select the trigger New Event and Action, create database item, then map title, start, end, and notes. Once configured, run one test event to verify fields populate correctly. Make sure time zones match in both systems to avoid shifts. Finish up by confirming visibility and testing. Publish or share the Notion page as needed. If embedding, confirm the preview updates. If automating, let the workflow run for several events and inspect recurring items and time zones. Make sure your Notion database properties match Outlook fields for clean imports. If things go wrong, the most common fix is reauthorizing the connection. Refresh the Outlook and Notion tokens, check permissions for calendar access, and then rerun the test to confirm event.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.